Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I used anything and FFmpeg to automate the creation of video. And the other resources I used is Pixels API. So with Pixels API, I'm able to get free images, and using the free images from Pixel API, I was also able to integrate an audio with the video. Then I compiled everything to form a video using FFmpeg. Also, I, my FFmpeg is installed within my Docker environment, where I have all of the resources, and also my anything is also installed within my Docker environment. So to proceed with this automation, once I run this automation, is going to connect to my to my Google Spreadsheets content calendar. This is what I'm using to manage the text overlay of the content of the video. Then I pass the topic into an AI agent, to be able to create the text overlay for the video. Then I'm connecting to Pixels API to get the image to be used. Then I save the image within my Docker container. Upon getting all the resources I need, then I am using the FFmpeg code, to create the video from the images, from the text from my AI agent, and also from an audio I have that is already existing within my Docker environment. So once this process is completed, it's going to save the video within my Docker environment, then upload on YouTube. Then after uploading on YouTube, it's going to update my content calendar that this has been posted. So to take a look at how my content calendar is, once I open the content calendar, we'll be able to see the various topics that I'm creating the video from. So these are the keywords and these are the codes. So basically, I'm basically creating motivational video. So it takes a quote from a popular motivational speaker, and it takes a keyword majorly for the images. Then I am using status to know the ones I've posted and the one I've not posted. Now, coming back to my anything workflow, it's going to take about a minute or 2 minutes, to complete to completely create the video. So I just have to wait for few seconds more for it to complete the video creation. Okay, so the video creation is completed. Then we can have a look at the FFmpeg code responsible for creating this video using the using a an audio already existing in my Docker environment, and also the codes from my AI agent. Then these are the other code responsible for the video size, resolution, and all. So upon completely creating the video, we can see how the video is like here. So once I play this video, it's going to take about a couple of seconds to load properly, and this is highly dependent on my internet connection. So if I'm using a very good connection, it's going to be a view of more of a motivational video where it's just as a text overlay. then with the video and the image moving in the background. Currently, there is an audio playing, but possibly because I am recording my screen, you may not be able to hear the audio. Then once this is completed, it's going to upload on my YouTube, and it's going to also update my content calendar on the ones that have been posted. So here we can see that it has updated my content calendar. So this was the most recent and that updated third. So it always picks the one that are on pending. So it doesn't repeat the video. So this is the overview of this automation using FFmpeg and Pixel API for my free images, and I got my text overlay using an AI agent. I was able to create a video and upload on YouTube.